welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing today, and it is their Sunny Escape Edit. Now, I am not escaping anywhere, as is most people are not escaping anywhere, but I'm gonna try it anyway. So let's get to it. We're opening the box today with this trusty, rusty screwdriver that my husband's probably been looking for. It's up here. And I can't talk today, as is most days. If you want to try Wantable for yourself, I'm gonna leave my referral link down below if you want to use it. I think you might get credit. I really can't remember, to be honest. If you do use it though, I would get credit. So I appreciate that if you do want to try it. Wantable, they send you 7 items. There's gonna be stuff in the description below about Wantable because I can't keep them all straight most of the time. I'm gonna throw this into my box pile. There's so many boxes. And yeah, so Wantable, 7 items, $20 stand fee. The $20 goes towards what you decide to keep. And you can usually find one thing from each box to keep, so it's pretty nifty. And let's just get to it. I opened it up. Here we go. What side should we look at first? Ta-da! Alright, so we're just gonna rip into it. We have the mailers. You can mail back the things you don't want to keep. And we have the price sheet and a little note. Hi Rachel, so excited for you. You're going to love this limited time Sunny Escape edit. It's one of the most fun themed edits we've done so far. This collection is packed with cute styles that feel great whether you're enjoying a vacay or a staycay. Plus, I wanted to make sure I styled you with pieces you can wear now and all through summer. Can't wait to know what you think. Enjoy. Sev? It says his name is Sev. But maybe he's supposed to be Steve? I don't know, but it says Sev. So, okay. Then on the other side, it has like all the prices and things, which we're not gonna look at yet. First off, we have some jewelry. So let's open that. I have lipstick on my hand. Anywho. Oh, those are cute. We have, let me take it out of the bubble wrap. Anywho, okay, here are the earrings. And those are cute. They're like studs, but they're just little round gold. I like them. So if anything else, like usually they'll send you a piece of jewelry. If anything else and you don't like any of the clothes, their jewelry's been really great that I've kept from them. So that's cute. If I don't like anything, at least I have those. So first up, what are you? Are you an off the shoulder? Ugh. I don't do off the shoulders, but I'll try it. So this is, it looks very Eastery. This is the front. Look at that. Doesn't it look so Eastery? Tomorrow's Easter as I'm filming this. This actually might go up tomorrow on Easter. We'll see. But it's a cute pattern. It has like some little gold flecks going through it. I guess I just don't really wear off the shoulder because they don't stay off the shoulder on me, but maybe this one will. Who knows? Not me. And we have, this doesn't really look like a Sunny Escape. It's by Z Supply. I very much dislike Z Supply. First off, do you see how see-through this is? And I just feel like it's not very good quality in my opinion, Z Supply, but has cute little buttons down it. Not excited for that one. And we have another Z Supply. I know I have put in my notes that I don't like Z Supply, but okay. Another Z Supply, just a boxy tee with a pocket. Looks like it's kind of cropped. No. That's okay. Okay, and then this doesn't look very Sunny Escape either, but they look like they would be nice for work. Yeah, they're just like dress pants. They're pull-on. They're nice, nice bottom, I guess. I do like the pattern. I don't really see how it's Sunny Escape, but that's okay, I guess. And we have some jeans, which are by Vigoss, which I do love Vigoss, but they are usually a lot more expensive than if you were to get Vigoss in your Stitch Fix. But these are cute. Are they cropped? Probably. Thompson mid-rise, like a high-rise. Wantable! To be honest, okay, let me tell you what's happening. This is the second Sunny Escape box I've gotten. The first one I disliked so much that I decided to not even post it. I gave them feedback that I didn't like it, you know, like I usually, you know, it's whatever. But, and so they're like, oh, well, we'll send you a new one, you know, with no styling fee. And I was like, okay, cool. I do like the little cuff there. So those are cute. But it just doesn't look very Sunny Escape, you know what I mean? And then lastly we have, it looks like a jumpsuit. That's kind of cute. I'm not a huge navy person, but I think it has enough like other blue colors in it for it to be cute. It has like a little belt right there, kind of thing. They're long pants, they have pockets. Do they have pockets? No pockets. So, okay, well, let's get to trying this stuff on, I guess, for our Sunny Escape edit, which it's not, but that's cool. Yeah, let's try stuff on. So here is the cropped, very cropped. I have a tank top on under this. Cropped t-shirt. It's cute if I liked cropped things. I mean, I guess I do like cropped things with like some flowy pants, but I don't know. The top, it fits nice. I just wish there were more of it, maybe. I like the length of the sleeve. I mean, it looks good with these jeans. These are the jeans I just kept from one of my Stitch Fix boxes that I exchanged for a size down, if you watched that one. But, I mean, it's just a cropped t-shirt. I feel like I could just get a t-shirt anywhere and just, like, cut it and hem it if I wanted to. But, I mean, it's fine. I like the V-neck. It's just, I don't know. I don't need it. So, let's try on another one. Here's the black shirt for the Sunny Escape edit, because nothing screams Sunny Escape like a long sleeve black shirt. You know what I mean? Nothing. When I see this, I think, that girl's going on vacation. I don't think that. Again, it fits okay, it fits fine, I guess, but it's very see-through. I like the V-neck. I think that looks nice, but it's not anything special. Let me move my light a little bit. I don't know. It's not anything special, you know what I mean? So, it's fine. Not keeping it. Alright, let's try on the jeans and the off-the-shoulder top that's not going to stay off my shoulders. Sounds good. I feel like I'm wearing a tablecloth. I mean, I think the pattern would be really cute in a different shirt. If this were a completely different shirt with this pattern, I think it'd be really cute and like Eastery and nice, but this is just not, it's not gonna stay. I just don't think off-the-shoulder ones look good on me because of my larger endowed chest, but you know, I try them. I still try them on. The jeans are okay. They fit nice. They are cropped. Let me go move the camera on down. Move it on down. Oh, we're really moving. Moving on. Okay, let's see. Let's see where that hits. Yeah, so here's my mess. But here's the crop. It's just okay. I like the wash of them. I like where the distressing is. I'm just not into the cropped. I just don't like that at all. But everything else I like about them. They fit nice. They're Vigoss, they're comfy, they have pockets in the front and the back. If you like the cropped look, these are super cute. If you don't, they're just okay. Alright, let's try on those dress pants because, you know, again, nothing says vacation like a nice pair of trousers. So these are pretty much leggings. They're too long. I like the pattern, but they're just not good. They're just not good. They're not good. No, 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 no. Moving on. Here is the jumpsuit, and it's okay. I really wish it had pockets. to kind of take away from the stomach area a little bit, like have a little bit more fabric there. It's okay. It's really soft. It kind of feels like a LuLaRoe legging material. Let me see if you can see the length. It's just okay. I have jumpsuits I like a lot better from Stitch Fix. They're pretty blues though. But I don't know, Wantable's just not been doing it for me lately. And you might ask, Rachel, why do you keep getting them? And it's because I still have credit to use. So, you know, why not? And like, my other one was so good. I had one a couple of Wantables ago that I kept like, I think 3 things in it. So I think it's just this, maybe this edit is just not a good edit. The Sunny Escape edit. Because I've liked like almost all their other ones. I know my light keeps going in and out. So it's not great. This one's fine. It's just not for me. So let's go over prices and thank God for those earrings, right? So let's go over prices. Okay, so another disappointing Sunny Escape edit. But that's okay. You know, you can't win them all. So let's go over the prices. So the Blaine Rib Long Sleeve Henley Top in black by Z Supply was $44. The Signature Panty Jacquard Legging in Superior Check, originally $98, but it's on sale for $49. The Printed Off-Shoulder Blouse in Yellow Ditzy Floral by Dex is $60. The Classic Skimmer Tee in Heather Gray by Z Supply was $34. The O-Ring Wrap Jumpsuit in Blue Tie-Dye, $68. The Thompson Tomboy Distracted Jean in Dark Wash by Vegas, $84. Those would be $68 from Stitch Fix. And the Circle Studs, which I put in because I decided I'm going to keep them. Let's zoom in. Oh, hi, Sideburn. So, yeah, I'm going to keep those. They're pretty cute. I think they're nice. Those are $28. I zoomed out correctly. So I'm going to keep those. They're by Lou & Company. $28. So I think those are nice. So the whole box, I zoom out too far? Hi. Hi. The whole box was $367. If you keep 5 or more things, you get 20% off. So it'd be $293.60 plus tax for the whole box, which we're not keeping. We're just gonna keep these pretty circle earrings. Look how cute those are. I think they're nice. Anyway, that was our box. They can't all be winners, you guys. Okay, that's a lot of pressure to put on the box. It's a lot of pressure. No, it's really not. They had one job. So, okay, we're just keeping the earrings this time. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to try Wantable, I'll leave my referral link down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kind of things. I know I do. I watch all you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time.